Hi there. Welcome to another episode of the fabulous ShiftSetGo cooking show. Today we are going to be making some peanut caramel protein balls, and these are awesome for if you just need to run out and grab some energy or running, taking those kids to all the places they have to go. You can pop a couple of these in your mouth and you're going to feel good for a long time. What we have here from the ShiftSetGo is cake mix. This is our chocolate caramel cake mix. And then, so that's in this little bowl. And in this little bowl, these are all these are so good, these peanut caramel puffs, and they have been crunched up in a food processor. You can kind of see the consistency. So you can do that. You can whir it in a blender. You can pound it in some plastic, get some frustrations out. So I'm first going to take and I'm going to mix the dry ingredients together. Just get these nice and mixed up. And a couple little tosses here. There we go. So that was just an 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon that we added in here. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of water and an 1/8 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Oh, that smells good. So I'm going to mix this all up, be a little gooey. Did I just dump some? Here. We want every piece of it. It's going to be really good. This makes 6 protein balls. And that is 2 servings. So each serving is 3 protein balls. So I got this in here nice and good. All spread around. This is the longest part. This doesn't take very long, but this is the longest part. So now what we're going to do is we have a small plate with some parchment paper on it. And a little tip here, I'm going to wet my fingers first before I start working with this because I'm using a cookie scoop, but I'm going to have to get this off of my fingers afterwards, so I don't want it to stick. All right, so we've got our cookie scoop, and I'm just going to make a little ball. There we go. I'm sure you can make them look prettier than I can, but here we go. Okay, so we've got 3 of these. You can just take and round them up if you want to a little bit, make them look prettier. So we're going to put these in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. And when they come out, they're going to look like this. These can be frozen. They taste really yummy frozen. I hope you'll try this recipe. This smells wonderful, and I can't wait to try it. Please come back and join us again, and have a lovely day.